Alright, now here is another cool tip for you guys. Let's say you already own a Samsung Galaxy phone and you have just bought another Galaxy phone or a tablet and you want to log into that phone or a tablet using the Samsung account. Of course, you will have to log into Samsung account to make use of all the services, right? Now by logging in, you might have forgotten the password or you may be finding some difficulty in logging into that device using Samsung account. In which case, there is a very simple and quick method to log into your secondary device. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say I have got this new device here. I will just go to settings and here I want to log into Samsung account. I will tap on this Samsung account here. Now as you can see, we can enter the email or phone number and tap next and then enter the password to log into the account, or we can use the Google account to log in. And right here at the bottom, we have got another cool option called sign in with QR code. You must use this option to quickly log into this device. Let me show you how it works. I will tap on this. Here it says scan the QR code below with another Galaxy phone or tablet to sign this phone into your Samsung account. This is interesting. What we need to do is we need to scan this QR code using another Galaxy phone or a tablet to sign this phone into Samsung account. Let's go ahead and do that. I have already logged into Samsung account on this phone. I will open the camera here and I will point the camera on this QR code. Now, as you can see, it automatically recognizes this QR code and this pop-up says remote sign in. The device can be signed into your Samsung account. Sign it in now. I'll just tap on this. As you can see here, it says sign into Note 20 Ultra in your Samsung account. I will just tap sign in. Now, as you can see here on this device, the Samsung account has been logged in. As simple as that. So this is a very simple and quick way to sign into another Samsung Galaxy device, maybe a phone or a tablet, in just a few seconds. Even if you have forgotten your password, you don't really have to reset it. Just use the QR code to sign into another device. That is fantastic. It's great to see how seamless these processes or these methods are. It makes life much easier on these gadgets. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I know that not everybody would be using multiple devices, but for some of you guys who are planning to buy another Samsung device, or whenever you have signed out of a particular device which you have, you can easily sign in using your other Samsung device. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you are already a subscriber. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button if you find this video useful. You guys take care and stay safe. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.